Happy Friday! You're watching VPTrade Daily Financial News. Let's close out the week with the top market stories. Subscribe and hit the bell for more. In Asia, stocks were under pressure today. The MSCI Asia Pacific Index fell 0.3%, with Japan's Nikkei down 0.7%. Meanwhile, the yen surged on strong inflation data out of Tokyo, gaining 0.9% against the dollar this week, the yen's best performance in 4 months. Traders are now betting on a 60% chance of a December rate hike by the Bank of Japan, signaling potential economic tightening. Over in the US, the Thanksgiving holiday kept equity and treasury markets quiet. Wall Street futures edged up 0.1% during Asian trading hours, while 10-year Treasury yields dropped to a one-month low of 4.24%. Market watchers are eyeing a potential Fed rate cut in December, with odds climbing to 63% according to the CME Fed Watch tool. Turning to Europe, French bond yields saw some relief after Prime Minister Michel Barnier backed away from proposed electricity tax hikes amid political pressure. Meanwhile, subdued inflation data from Germany points to downside risks for today's Eurozone CPI release. Economists are bracing for a reading of 2.3%. In energy markets, oil prices ticked up slightly, with U.S. crude at $69.17 a barrel. However, both Brent and WTI are set for weekly losses of over 2%. Geopolitical concerns in the Middle East remain, but major disruptions to supply chains haven't materialized. OPEC Plus postponed its policy meeting to December 5, leaving traders in suspense over potential production cuts. And finally, commodities. Gold prices edged higher by 0.7% today, trading at $2,660 per ounce. Despite this uptick, the metal is down 2% for the week, with markets awaiting key U.S. data releases next week for clarity on the Federal Reserve's rate policy. Safe haven demand is also being fueled by escalating geopolitical tensions in the Middle East and Ukraine. That's it for this week's news. If you enjoyed our content, give us a thumbs up, share with your network, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.